Welcome students. Today we are going to start chapter first in commerce, that is business environment. Let's start the chapter business environment. There are two words. One is business and another one is environment. Here business in the sense business and environment means surroundings. Environment means surroundings. Okay, business environment means surroundings. So if we talk about meaning of business environment, we can say business environment, a business environment is made up of various surroundings such as customers, suppliers, bankers, financial institutions, and government agencies, trade unions, media, and so on, which are called business environments. Okay, now let's move on features of business environment. Features of business environment. The main feature of business environment are as follows. First one is totality of external forces. Business environment is aggregative in nature because it is the total of all the factors and external to the business enterprises. So totality of external forces means all those forces which are beyond the control of business. These forces cannot be controlled within the business, such as economic forces, political forces, legal forces, etc. Okay. Second is general and specific forces. Business environments includes both general and specific forces. General forces such as economic, social, political, legal, technological conditions indirectly influence all business enterprises. But specific forces such as investor, customer, competitor, and supplier influence individual enterprises directly. So, general forces means forces that influence all type of business indirectly and influence all type of business. For example, GST. GST influence all type of business indirectly, but in case of specific forces are the forces which are influence particular business industry directly. For example, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. If Pepsi reduce his price, then customer move to buy Pepsi. So sale of Coca-Cola automatically reduce. So this reduction is the price of Pepsi influence the sale of Coca-Cola only. So this is specific forces. Okay. Next one is interrelatedness. Interrelatedness. Different elements of business environment are closely interrelated. For example, growing awareness for health care has led to increase in the demand for the health goods and health resorts. New health products and services in turn are changing lifestyle of people. So students, interrelatedness means, suppose one more example, one example in given healthcare ka. One more example, suppose if in economic environment people earn more and more income, then what will happen? They expand consumption of branded goods and luxurious goods. And another way, if economic environment income reduce a people, then people reduce his consumption and buy only necessary goods, and living standard of people will also decreases. Yes, interrelated needs. Next one is next one is complexity. Business environment is complex because it consists of several interrelated elements which keeps on changing. For example, it is difficult to know the impact of economic, social, political and technological and other forces on change in demand for a product or services. So yes, business environment is very complex because changes is several interrelated elements. Yes, next one is dynamic. Business environment is not static, rather it keeps on changing. Entire entry of new competitors in the market, development of new technology, shift in the preference of consumer are example of environmental changes. So yes, business environment is keeps on changing, changing time to time. It is never static. Okay, so this is dynamic. Okay.